Here's another weird little prehistoric guy, the Hallucigenia. This is the Hallucigenia. It lived in the prehistoric waters around 505 million years ago. It was first discovered in the Burgess Shale fossil area in British Columbia, Canada, but since then has also been found in areas such as China. And when it was first discovered, scientists didn't know what the fuck was up with these things, because they are quite weird. They're called Hallucigenia for their bizarre and dreamlike appearance, which is the actual description given to them. And for a very long time, we didn't even know how to orient this animal correctly, or even that it was an animal on its own. For a brief period of time, paleontologists actually thought that this was just a broken off piece of a larger animal and not a organism in its own right. They also thought that these spines up here were the legs and these tentacles down here were just weird appendages, but further studies have proven that these are actually its legs and these are just kind of hard spines. It's also very hard to determine what end is the head and what end is the tail. And so overall, this was just a very weirdly oriented creature. Now, analysis has determined that this is probably what it looked like. It moved via these kind of softer tentacle-like legs at the bottom. The head was kind of over here, and these were just hard spines and not legs. They're also quite small, ranging from about 0.5 centimeter to 5.5 centimeters, and potentially were scavengers along the seafloor. So while they are still quite bizarre, and there is still a lot that we don't actually know about them, we do know a lot more, and at the very least, we most likely know the orientation of how it's supposed to be, at the very least.